Recording is rolling. It is Thursday, January 16th. And so yesterday I mentioned that there's some pictures coming up Friday, which is tomorrow. I did get hold of the schedule yesterday, the photography schedule, and I posted that to Google Classroom. So to point that out exactly where it is, it says this one right here, Senior Panoramic and Club Photo Friday. So you guys can click on this Excel file, download it. And, wait, is this going to come up? Right, well, all right. It says exactly the times. So the senior panoramic is going to be first period, so pretty early on. There's probably going to be an announcement. I'm thinking, okay, get all the seniors out there. If you're a senior, then show up in the panoramic photo. And then about every 5 or 10 minutes there on out throughout the day are all these different club photos. There you go. You can find that file on Google Classroom. All right, so today we're going to just full focus on these textbook puzzles. Here, I'll do a video for different classes here. Right, so I've got 3 different classes. Coincidentally, it's all chapter 8. Right, so here's for my AP students, chapter 8 out of their book. Here's my conceptual students, chapter 8 out of their book. And then honor students, chapter 8 out of this book. Now, I did give you guys this page a few days back. Most of you guys probably have this. Maybe you were absent or don't have it for whatever reason. I have a few extra copies here. If you need an extra copy, I have that. Okay. I know we do lots of different things in this class. I have demos for you guys. I have different activities, lots of labs. Sometimes I'm just up here lecturing just to get points across, but I've covered all the topics, and there's a lot of topics in rotational dynamics. We got torque, rotational inertia, angular acceleration, angular momentum, or some of these concepts. Okay. So I think you guys should be able to solve these textbook puzzles with all the activities that we've done so far. Lecture activities, demo activities, lab activities. Okay. And this activity I've done with my AP students last semester, I tried this out. It works pretty. It's been working out pretty good all day. So it's going to work like this. As long as you're full focus working on these puzzles, which is going to be pretty much maximum engagement on your side. It's one reason I want to do it this way. Then I will give you the credit in the textbook for doing these, even if you don't finish them all. Just as long as you're like full focus on this during this hour that we're in class here. Okay. If you're not working on it, or if you're absent, then you can turn them in later for credit if you want to do it that way. But as long as you're just working on them in class today, and I see you working on them, I'll give you points. And I'll be walking around and troubleshoot any questions you guys have if you're not trying to solve something. Right? I do have you guys' next take-home quiz printed, ready to go. I will get that to you guys the last couple minutes of class. And let's have that due on Tuesday, so you have a few days to do that. You guys know Monday is Martin Luther King Day, so we have a 3-day weekend coming up there. All right, and I'll probably actually pop back on up here on the dot cam about halfway through class and thing, because there's some common questions that I see throughout the day, and maybe I'll make a video that shows how to set up and solve the commonly asked ones. All right, so I'm going to close down this recording. You guys go ahead and solve some puzzles. I'll walk around and help you guys out.